Good morning from down Monk's Walk. So it's Monday 11th of December. Hyperia update number 14, and already I reckon things are gonna be even more impressive. That's it, that's better. I can't see myself from the glare of the sunlight coming through. But yeah, I mean, it's been 2 weeks since my last update, back in November. After today, it will be on the 8th of January, after the new year. I'd say it's like another 2 weeks and it's Christmas Day. Definitely can't get down here then, and I just think after New Year, I think that's probably the next best time to go. But anyway, let me show you what I've come down here for. The support structure is getting even bigger. And we have got some track just there, which is impressive. As for the station building, that looks even more impressive. But this, I mean, look at this. I mean, I've seen updates from Jack, Dominic, UK theme parks and ride comparisons, but just being down here, it's another thing. So as far as I know, nothing's been changed with the transfer track. They still have part of the track leading out of the station and the supports. But what I like the look of is, I reckon, more support for this structure is going up, as far as I know. So just beyond where that digger is, there's even more white supports, which I reckon is gonna go up here somewhere, or part of it. I mean, there must be, where that crane is, there must be like supports going up. Must be. Definitely more white track over there. So this is really quite impressive. What can I say? As far as I know, it seems to be more or less the same kind of updates all the others have done from last week. Or yeah. But actually seeing it in person is a whole other thing. There's more supports over that way. Track. Oh, okay. Oh. So there's even more track. Being installed. I think it must be going lower. Yeah, it looks like it's been, well, I don't know. Surely. I mean, there's track there, gold track there, more gold track. I think it must be going down. It has to. No. So it's just held currently. Oh my god, look at this. So as you can see, a bit of gold track down the right hand side and the new piece on the left, that one. It's still being held into place until they install it to the supports, but I'm trying to like remember the POV of Hyperia, but I don't remember this. Oh my god, listen to that cranking up that white track. So, white track is upright, which according to Dominic is going over here somewhere.
Yeah, that would make sense. Either that or they're going to send you out on the ends. But just, yeah,
My god, look at that. White track upright.
unless they do anything at the top, I'm interested to see how it's finished. I agree. I think it's going to be this corner.
Whoa. So that's it from me, Dave, from Dave's Adventures with Hyperia update number 14. I've seen other YouTube content creators as well down here at Monk's Walk. Well, yeah, the workmen, they've gone for a lunch break, and yeah, I reckon a lot more track supports. Well, I reckon next white track will be going up soon, up by that support structure next to the station, which is all good. The only bad thing is, like, with the run up to Christmas being 2 weeks away, I won't be coming back down here again till 8th of January 2024, and even if this isn't built or constructed, it'll be like at least 85-95%. So yeah, which is, you know, it's all good. But yeah, so yeah, this is my 14th construction update. Please give it a big thumbs up, it does help with my channel. Please do comment what you think about this particular update video. Did you enjoy it? I am excited for Hyperia and all the remaining construction updates. And lastly, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave's Adventures. So yeah, until the next video, bye! And see you soon, bye everyone.